Alright, hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm heading to Denver right now. I'm always in a rush, I don't know why. But I'm heading to Denver right now, and Reagan's taking over the vlog. These will be uploaded next week. Don't even know why I'm saying that. You guys will see. I'll see you guys in Denver.
It used to be not
Oh yeah.
bushy.
We're going to the mall right now. Beautiful Caramel Park. Lovely.
Look at how much effort someone put in to put that sign up. Look at all that tape.
Nice.
Just gonna grab electrical tape and tape it around 856,000.
Yeah, we're going to the mall. Get some lunch or something. I don't know.
Son,
What's that? What's that?
got your pre-go.
You need to watch that video. Don't know where it is. It's on Vine, but Vine's obviously gone now, so it doesn't really matter. Oh shit! There's houses. You see him? You see him? You see him? Oh
When
shit!
you think you can camp?
Oh no! We gotta go. They're gonna light us up. Jack Coin, that you? Wow, look at that.
Whipping. Again. I like how Mom had to turn the wheels a little bit.
Wow.
You can see the original costume drawings.
You wish you could draw like that, don't you, man? Wow.
Dude, who is that? Sith warrior? Yo. That would have been the sickest freaking Jedi. The Sith warrior on my story, so you have to go see it.
Oh, what?
So you guys should get whatever you might want to take.
Hey guys. Hey guys, I want to be super quiet right now, but, one sec. Wait, no, why would I do that? I'm heading back to my place tomorrow, and, yeah, I'm heading back to my place tomorrow. Easy and I might do something, we don't know yet. We were talking about it, but check this out. It's pretty sick. Okay, I have to go. I'm feeling super quiet, so I'm gonna go. Bye. Alright, so I just got back from Denver, and I gotta clean my room. Yeah, it's a mess. I know. Don't tell me. Got a lot of trash. We're gonna clean it. I'll show you now. And we finished cleaning the room. Still kind of dirty. That's right, though. That's right. It's better than it was before. So I got this in the mail today. I know what it is. Portable charger for the phone. We're gonna open it. How am I gonna do this? I got this. Oh yeah. That wasn't good enough. 1 sec. Okay, there we go. It's hard to do this with one hand, you know. Alright, there we go. Right, how does this thing open up? Oh. So, everything's right there, you know. Yeah. This one's a big boy. Holds, I don't even know. I'm not that kind of person, but this is the whole thing right here. There. It's like the size of my computer, dude. Right, so this is a 13-inch MacBook, and that's the charger. So as you can see, it's like decently big. Takes up a good portion of the MacBook. It's almost as long as a MacBook. And you get some stuff here. It is, if you want to know what this is, I'll put a link in the description. It's the PowerCore Plus, whatever that number is. Alright. Accessories right here. Alright. Anything else in there? Wait, yeah, there is. Don't know if I can get that one out, but there you go. There you go. Is that? We got a travel case, fun travel case, and this is to like a micro USB or something, or USB-C connector. That's a USB to USB-C. This is no, that's to micro USB, and then this is a USB to USB-C, and then this is USB-C to USB-C. Let's get this out. How am I gonna do this? This thing is slick. This thing has like little, dang, 3% charge. Alright, so I got 2 USB ports and a USB-C port. It charges through the USB-C. You can receive and whatever the other word is, receive and transmit from there, or whatever it is. So I guess you would just use this connector right here, plug it into there, plug this into like the wall, and yeah, you can also charge this thing off your computer. For the new MacBook Pros, if you have that yet, you can use the USB-C to USB-C now that they are charging with USB-C, which is kind of lame. You know, I got the classic this charger, you know. That one's what's up, you know. But yeah, that's the Anker PowerCore Plus. I'll put the link in the description if you want one. It's around $60. Yeah, it's on sale. It's usually on sale around these times. So yeah, you can just go buy one. I think this thing's pretty sick. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this to charge my phone when it runs out of battery to vlog, you know, because that happens all the time. And then I never get enough footage, and then you know we're done. Yeah, link in the description for one of these. I think it's gonna be pretty sick to have. Yeah.